Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you really quick about your assignment for today, which is your STEAM Wednesday. For this, you guys are going to be using micrometers as a form of measurement to look at microorganisms. So this ties in with your how small is small assignments that you've been doing in Amplify. So what I wanted to show you guys is just a little bit about the metric system. So I'm going to scoot clear back so you guys can see this all. This right here in between my hand is a meter stick. So naturally this is 1 meter. Okay, if I zoom in on this meter, you guys can see each of these little numbers, 1 through 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, clear up to 20. These are centimeters. If we look at the end of our meter stick, there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Okay, then if we just take a look at 1 centimeter in and of itself, you guys can see all these little lines in between the 0 and the 1. Okay, there's 10 little lines there. Those are millimeters. So there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, which means if there's 100 centimeters in a meter, that means there's 1,000 of these little lines between here and the end of this meter stick. Okay, but we're not going to be measuring in millimeters because that's still not small enough for what we're talking about in class right now. So I'm going to zoom in as best as I can for you guys, but you guys see this little notch right here. Okay, this is 1 millimeter. Imagine taking and drawing 1,000 lines in between this large line and this small line. Okay, those would be micrometers. That's going to be the unit you guys are using today in class. So if we're talking about the size of a bacteria, like E. coli or bacteria that you guys see all over your hand, if we were to draw 1,000 lines, one of those lines would be a micrometer. Okay, viruses are even smaller than that and are actually 0.1 of that. So if we were to draw even more lines in there, those might be a nanometer, which is what a virus is. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. The rest of your instructions for STEAM Wednesday are on the Google form.